What's up, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here. Can't really see where I am yet, but you're gonna be surprised when I show you. I am here in Santorini. Look at this freaking ridiculous view that I have here. And you might be wondering, where are all the little white cave houses, right? That's what Santorini is. I'm actually walking the other way. I'm going against the grain. Everyone else is going that way to town to look at the sunset. I've already been here, I don't even know, 20 times. I mean, I lived here for over a month, like a little over a decade ago. So I've been very fortunate to be here many times. I've seen the little white houses. I think there's a good lesson here. I could be wrong, but leave a comment if you like this analogy where I think that you have to, evolve over time. I'll give you an example where, yes, I've been here a lot, so I don't need to see the sunset. I don't need to be packed with tourists. I like it here because, look at this, there's literally nobody here. And I mean, I'm going to that village over there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's called Fira. So I have a nice little walk ahead of me. I think that the best lesson here is that you evolve and you change over time. Like, you don't want to go to all the classic touristy spots over time. Initially when you see like Santorini, you're like, I can't tell you how many people message me and they're like, oh, I can't wait to go there. You put it on, kind of like your to-do list, right? Your to-do list has to evolve. You must evolve. You must mature. I'll give you another example. I'm wearing this shirt, Pencils of Promise. This is a charity that builds schools all over the world. I've donated over $2 million of my hard-earned money to Pencils of Promise. If you had said I was going to do that, like, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 years ago when I first wanted to get rich, I wouldn't have believed you. I would have been like, no, I'm working hard for my money. I'm going to spend it on myself. I'm going to spend it on my family. I'll spend it on my friends. But I did all that. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. I'm kind of fat as shit right now because I've been going around Europe for the past few weeks. So even this little incline is tough. But I never would have donated $2 million to Pencils of Promise, the old me. The old me never would have walked this way at sunset. Like Santorini sunsets. Everyone is there. There's literally tens of thousands of tourists on the other side here. But I've matured and I've changed and I realize what makes me happy. And you have to figure out what makes you happy over time. Obviously, getting financial freedom, achieving your current goals, yes. But don't be afraid to change over time. And this is also a lesson in the stock market. Just because you might make a lot of money on one strategy or one stock or one sector, don't be afraid to change and adapt. That's what life is all about. Too many people get stuck with one stock, one strategy, one mindset. They don't adapt. Sorry, my glasses keep slipping because I'm like sweating too. And the key to really a lot of my success in life, not just money-wise, but just happiness-wise, is adapting. I got into teaching, never thought I would. I got into giving away millions of dollars, never thought that I would. Now with my charity, I'm trying to blow it up on social media. Nobody thinks that's possible. I have to follow my heart, and that's what you have to do. But a lot of you guys, you're working at jobs that you hate, you're studying in school, you're getting in school loan debt that can't even be forgiven even if you go bankrupt. You're kind of on the wrong track, and I make these videos for you. Or maybe it's not you, maybe it's your friend or your family member who's on the wrong track. Send them this video, show them. I have 1,000+ free videos now on YouTube. This isn't the most technical, but I do like this analogy. Leave a comment below if you like this analogy about adaptation. I think that's been a huge thing for me in the past. I made my first $1 million in the bull market of 1998, 99, and 2000. A lot of people made a lot of money then, but they also lost it in the dot-com crash, 2000, late 2000, 2001, 2002, when I actually made my second and third million in the coming years because I learned short selling. So I learned to adapt when there were no more great penny stock breakouts. I talk all about that in my best-selling book, which I'm going to give to you for free using the link just below. I want to reward you if you want to learn. This is what it's all about, education. I'm not right all the time. I don't know everything, but I do have 20+ years of experience, and I'll teach you some weird-ass lessons. The best lessons are counterintuitive. Just like me walking against the crowd here with nobody here. I can still see the sunset. I don't need the little white houses. I'm gonna walk all the way over there, get some more cardio in, because I've been eating a lot. But leave a comment. Let me know if you like these kinds of analogies, just to open your mind up, think a little differently. You know, I was also a philosophy major, not a business major. I was already, trading stocks in college. I had already made several $100,000 before I changed my majors. And I was like, I don't need business or finance. I'm doing that on my own. I want to think outside the box. And that's what this is all about. Thinking outside the box, changing your perspective. That's going to serve you well in your life. Cheers. Efaristo. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.